Hello friends, welcome to 16th session of Chemistry of Carbon and its Compounds. In this session we will see IUPAC nomenclature of aldehydes. First we will see what is aldehydic group. Friends, chain containing CHO group and those compounds having CHO group are called as aldehydes. First, observe very carefully this structure. Friends, what is the valency of carbon? 4. If carbon has 4 valency means here it is attached with other chain, that is RCHO. RCH means what type of bond will be there in between carbon and oxygen? It will be C double bond O. Always remember this, in ketonic group, in aldehydic group and in acid group, there is one double bond present with carbon and oxygen. For example, acids RCOOH, RCOR dash, these are esters. Sorry, these are ketones. RCOOR dash, these are esters, these are acids, these are ketones. Now in this aldehydic chain, the carbon atom attached to oxygen atom is called as कार्बोनिल कार्बन एटम. क्या कहते हैं इसको? कार्बोनिल कार्बन एटम. The carbon atom adjacent to carbonyl carbon atom is alpha carbon atom. The carbon atom adjacent to carbonyl carbon atom is अल्फा कार्बन एटम. अल्फा कार्बन एटम कौन होता है? कार्बोनिल कार्बन के बाजू में जो कार्बन होता है वो अल्फा कार्बन होता है. हियर दिस इज द कार्बोनिल कार्बन, सो दिस विल बी द अल्फा कार्बन. हियर दिस इज द कार्बोनिल कार्बन, दिस विल बी अल्फा कार्बन. एंड हाइड्रोजन एटम प्रेजेंट ऑन alpha carbon atom is alpha hydrogen atom and hydrogen atom present on carbonyl is carbonyl hydrogen atom. So while giving IUPAC names, all the rules which are applicable for alkanes, alcohols are almost applicable for this also. Here only one thing we have to keep in the mind: always give one number to carbonyl carbon atom and start numbering the rest of the chain. So here it will be 1, 2, 3. You can go in this direction or in this direction. In both the directions you will get 3 carbon atoms in parent chain. So 1, 2, 3. This will be 2 methyl propanol. 1, 2, 3. So 2 methyl propanol will be the IUPAC name. What will be the IUPAC name of this compound? Tell me. 2-methyl butanol. What will be the IUPAC name of this compound? 2-methyl. 1, 2, 3, 4. Numbering will be like this. Okay friends, all this was about brief introduction for IUPAC nomenclature of aldehydes. Next we will see ketones. Friends, if we compare aldehydes and ketones, if you observe, aldehydic group was present टर्मिनली, वो चेन के किसी एंड में रहता था, एंड वी यूज टू गिव नंबर 1 लोकेंट वैल्यू 1 फॉर अल्डिहाइडिक ग्रुप्स. Whereas in ketones, ketonic group is not at the terminal position, it is in between the chain. So here we must have to mention the position of ketonic group. Otherwise in aldehydes directly we used to write propanol or butanol. No need to mention the aldehydic group's position. But whereas here we have to mention the position of aldehydic group. In this case we need not have to mention. It is directly you can write it as propanol. In propanol there are only 3 carbon atoms, so it will be definitely present at the second position. Here in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Parent chain has 5 carbon atoms. It is pentanone. But CO group might be present at second, third, fourth position. So how can we write it as fourth position? Is not possible, because if it is at fourth position, we will start numbering from the other end. It will be at second or third position only. So here directly we cannot write it as pentanone. We must write it as pentane 2-one. What will be its name? 1, 2, 3. Pentane, E will be dropped. 3, 4. So this is how we give nomenclature to ketones. Next we will see acids. So friends, जैसा अल्डिहाइड टर्मिनल में रहता है और एसिडिक ग्रुप भी टर्मिनल में ही रहता है, तो इधर भी हमें इस एसिड ग्रुप की जो पोजीशन है वो बताने की जरूरत नहीं है. बाय डिफॉल्ट वी हैव टू चूज फर्स्ट लोकेंट फॉर कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड कार्बन एटम. हाउ मेनी कार्बन एटम्स आर हियर? 2. सो व्हाट वी विल राइट इट एज इथेनोइक एसिड. इथेन का ई ड्रॉप करके इथेनोइक acid will be its nomenclature. Now here one number will be given for this carbon atom. 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. So we will come in this direction. 3, 4, 5. 2 ethyl, 3, 4 dimethyl pentanoic acid. 2 ethyl, 3, 4 dimethyl pentanoic acid will be its nomenclature. Now friends, for alkanes we have seen for the derivatives of acid derivatives of alkanes. These 3 are acid derivatives of alkanes. Now we will see acid derivatives of alkenes. In case of alkenes, what we will do? We will drop this ENE. Okay. And here in case of alkane we have dropped ANE, pentanoic acid. ये पेंटानोइक एसिड को क्या करना है अभी? पेंटीनोइक एसिड और प्रोपिनोइक एसिड, ब्यूटिनोइक एसिड. बस हमें ये मेंशन करना है कि डबल बॉन्ड कौन सी जगह पे है. अभी फर्स्ट एग्जांपल विल सी CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH COH. हाउ मेनी कार्बन एटम्स आर देयर? 3. So that will be propionic acid. But here since we have only 3 carbon atoms, double bond has to be present in second position only. Here double bond cannot be present because all the valencies of carbon are satisfied. So it will be pro-2-enoic acid. How we will write IUPAC name of this? Tell me the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms, that means butanoic acid. But how? But 2-enoic acid. And how we will write this? 1, 2, 3, 4. But 3 enoic acid. This is how we give nomenclature to acids.